Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make these fingerless gloves. They are fast and easy to make, and I will leave you all the material and the measurement in the description box below. So let's get started. We start with a slip knot. We are going to chain 28. I have my 28 chains. That's how it looks like around my wrist. If this size is too big or too small for you, you're going to take off or add 4 more chains. So we are going to join into the first chain we made. Make sure that is straight. We are going to slip stitch into that first chain. In this way. Into the same chain where we slip stitch, we go back and we make a single crochet and 1 chain. This is a double crochet. Into the same chain we are going to make a double crochet, 1 chain and 2 more double crochet into the same chain. And we have our first motif. Now we count 1, 2, 3 chains into the 4th. We're going to work the same motif that we made before. 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 more. And that's all we are going to repeat for this round. You skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, into the 4th. You're going to work 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. I'm at the end of the first round, and if we did everything all right, we should have 3 more chains left. At this point we can join our work. We have our first double crochet, which is the single crochet in the chain. In that chain we are going to slip stitch in this way. Now from here, for the second round, we are going to go back, make a single crochet again and 1 chain. This is not a stitch, but it will serve us to join and to start our rounds. So in the middle of our motif, where we have the chain space, here is where we are going to work. So from here, insert your hook and make a double crochet. 1, 2, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet. Next motif in the middle, we are going to do the same. 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. And that's all you need to do for this second round. In this way, I will finish this round and I will meet you there. I'm at the end of the second round, and here we are going to slip stitch into the chain on top of the single crochet that we made before, in this way. From now on we are going to close our work in this way. Now we go back again where we slip stitch, we make a single crochet and one chain, and we start again in the middle of our motif. In the chain space we are going to make another motif, 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. In this way. Now we are going to work in this way for 5 more rounds. Total we should have 7 rounds completed. I'm at the end of round 7. I'm going to join like we usually do with a slip stitch into the chain, and now we go back again and we start row 8. So single crochet, chain, and we continue like we did before, but in this round we are not going to work the last 2 motifs, 1, 2, because we are going to create the space for the thumb. I have here the last 2 motifs. We are not going to work in this 2, but in the first one we are going to work into the first double crochet that we have here available. So yarn over, insert your hook, and we are going to work into that stitch our motif. It's mean 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. In this way. Now here fold a little bit here, and we are on our joining point. Here we are going to slip stitch like we did before into that chain. And in this way we created the space for the thumb. Now if for you is too long or too short, you just make fewer or add more rows. So now we start again with row 9 like we did before. Single crochet, chain 1, and we're going to work in the middle of our motif. Included this one that we started, I'm going to add 1 more, and then I will meet you there. I'm at the end of row 10. At this point you may want to try it on and see if the distance from the thumb is okay for you, so you can move forward or you can stop like I do now. So I'm going to cut the yarn, and I'm going to join with a yarn needle. Here in that chain where we usually close before, I'm going to insert the needle. This way, And now we can weave in the end inside our glove. That's how our glove looks like so far. Now we're going to make the bottom of our glove that looks like the top. To do that, turn your glove in this way. See? These are our motif. We're going to work in the middle of our motif. So grab your yarn. We're going to do the same stitch that we did it before. So insert your hook, pick up a loop, we make a chain, go back inside and make a single crochet and one chain. Into the very same motif here in the middle, we're going to make another double crochet, one chain, and two more double crochet. So we create another motif. Next motif here in the middle, we are going to do the same. Double crochet, 2, chain 1 and 2 more. In this way. And that's all you need to do for this final round. I'm at the end of the final round, so we can now cut the yarn. And with the yarn needle, we are going to join here into that stitch on top of the single crochet. We insert our hook this way, now we can weave in the end inside our glove like we did before. Our glove is ready. Of course, you're going to do another the same for the other hand. I already made mine. I'll put it on so I can show you how they looks like. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.